This HP 910 cartridge bundle delivers dependable cyan, magenta, and yellow output that keeps everyday documents and photos looking sharp and vibrant. The cartridges are designed specifically for compatible OfficeJet and OfficeJet Pro models, so installation is straightforward and print quality remains consistent across long print runs. Color accuracy is impressive for a standard ink set, producing clear text and rich graphics that hold up well in presentations and casual photo prints. Each color cartridge offers a solid page yield for home and small office use, reducing how often you need to stop and replace ink during busy weeks. The cartridges work with HP's Instant Ink service, which can simplify ink management and help ensure you rarely run out in the middle of an important job. HP's use of recycled ocean-bound plastic in these cartridges adds an appealing environmental benefit to an already reliable, everyday printing choice.